Here we have a 2024 Chevy Colorado with the 2.7 four-cylinder turbo motor. Customer just wanted to give it a little sound. Pretty quiet from the factory. So you can see it comes with a big factory muffler. It's about the size of a 55-gallon drum, meant to suck all the sound out of it. So we changed out and put a single chamber V-tube muffler on it just to wake it up a little bit. Kept it all stock up front, of course. Don't want to mess with any of the factory emissions. Don't want to make it drone a lot, so we left a factory resonator in the back. Done these before, it just gives it a little tone. Let's see what it sounds like. Definitely woke it up a little bit. Like I said, customer didn't want to hear a lot of drone and a lot of noise, so straight pipe would have made it louder. Some guys do, but just a little deeper, throatier tone to it. Sounds pretty good back here.